how to log in if you are a teacher who has rostered classes in Skyward. So to start, you'll want to go to Blocksi.net or directly to the login screen at teacher.blocksi.net. If you go to Blocksi.net, you'll click on Teacher, and that'll take you to our login screen. So this year we have changed. We are no longer using Clever, and we're using ClassLink. So you'll need to make sure that you don't log in with Google or Microsoft. You don't log in with Clever, Canvas, or the other button. I don't even know what that button is. You're going to choose Login with ClassLink. And so you'll want to make sure you do that so you can actually use ClassLink to roster your classes in Blocksi. Once you've clicked on the button, it may take you to this screen, your ClassLink login, and you can type in Alpine and click on Alpine School District, and then you'll go to the login screen for Alpine School District, which looks like this. You'll use your universal login and password and click sign in, and you will have to do a duo push every time you log in through ClassLink. Once you've got into your classes, you'll notice that there'll be a ClassLink button at the top of your screen in your teacher dashboard. If you are seeing the Classroom button, that means you logged in through Google. So you'll want to go back out, log out, come back in to ClassLink. So now we're in ClassLink. We're going to click on the button called ClassLink, and you'll choose your classes. You can know which class is which by looking at the naming, and it'll list first the class name, then the teacher name, then the semester, and then the actual class period. And then just check each of those boxes that you want. I wouldn't bring in all of your classes, first and second semester. Just bring in whatever semester is applicable. So now let's look at our dashboard. We're going to click on one of our classes' names. So click on the class name, and then you'll look at the top of your screen. You'll notice there's this little edit button, and let's click on that. And once you've clicked on the edit button, you'll be able to change the color of your class. So if you want to color code, give the name of your class. So if you don't want to use the name that was created in ClassLink, you can change it to A1, A2, or whatever you want. Put the minutes for that class will run. In secondary, most will choose 90 minutes just to cover all bases. And then highly recommend that you choose a default class policy. And we have two policies that will work for you, one that blocks YouTube and one that allows YouTube. And once you've done that, just make sure you hit save. So now you're ready to run a class. And so if you have any more questions about how to use Blocksi, reach out to your ILC. They'll be able to help you out.